Let's try. Let's get it. Oh. Mm. GG. Nope. Okay. See, the texture right there is beautiful. And we have sauce on it. Come on, you cannot tell me that does not look good.
It'll taste that. Then that. Oh, that's right.
Savory. It's the ball head to the winner. Hey, make it. I'm just getting that rolled in there. Of course, you know, I do keep health in mind. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's try one. Guys, if you liked it, you know what to do. Oh my goodness.
Oh, she's so beautiful.
Hey pretty baby with the high heels on. You keep me diva, I bet you never know. You're just a part of it.
My goodness. Ooh, you're nasty.
But I used to eat myself here and there. Instead of with that lunch roll, the mayo, if you want to be mayo, I use steroids.
Thank